जय जगन्नाथ। फ्रेंड्स, आज आम एनाटॉमी उपरे किछिटा एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करबा। एटा होची पार्ट 2। जो माने भी यार पार्ट 1 देखिबा पई चाहती से माने चैनल को जाय विजिट करके देखि परिबे। द फर्स्ट होची which of the following is not a characteristic of monocotyledonous plants? Parallel venation, fibrous root system, presence of vascular bundles in a ring, single cotyledon. तो कौन होगा ना आंसर ऑप्शन सी, प्रेजेंस ऑफ vascular bundles in a ring। कारण मोनोकोटिलेडोनस प्लांट को पैरेलल वेनेशन में देखा जाए, सिंगल कोटिलेडोन भी थाए, फाइब्रस रूट सिस्टम भी थाए। तो आंसर होगा प्रेजेंस ऑफ vascular bundles in a ring। एटा देखा जाए नहीं कारण हमको मोनोकोट स्कैटर्ड फॉर्म रे देखा जाए एंड डाइकोट रिंग फॉर्म में देखा जाए। Explanation: Monocotyledonous plants typically exhibit parallel venation, have a fibrous root system, and possess a single cotyledon. In monocots, the vascular bundles are scattered throughout the stem rather than arranged in a ring, which is characteristic of dicotyledonous plants. Next, the main function of phloem in plants is transport of water and minerals or photosynthesis or transport of food or support and structure. Answer of option C, transport of food. So explanation कौन है? Phloem is responsible for translocation of nutrients, particularly the sugars produced by photosynthesis from the leaves to other parts of the plant. Xylem, on the other hand, is involved in the transport of water and minerals. Phloem is responsible for transport of food, while xylem is responsible for transport of water and minerals. Yes. Which cells in the xylem are mainly responsible for the conduction of water? The sieve tubes, tracheids and vessel elements, companion cells, parenchyma cells. तो कौन होगा ना ऑप्शन बी, ट्रैकियड्स एंड वेसल एलिमेंट्स। एक्सप्लेनेशन: ट्रैकियड्स एंड वेसल एलिमेंट्स आर द प्राइमरी वाटर कंडक्टिंग सेल्स इन द जाइलम। Tracheids are elongated cells with tapered ends, while vessels are shorter, wider cells that form continuous tubes. Both are specialized for water conduction. Next, which part of the plant is mainly responsible for primary growth? Cambium, apical meristem, lateral meristem, pericycle. Answer of option B, apical meristem. Explanation: the apical meristem is located at the tips of roots and shoots and is responsible for primary growth, which results in the elongation of the plant. The cambium and lateral meristem are involved in secondary growth, which increases the thickness of the plant. So, primary growth by apical meristem responsible and secondary by cambium and lateral meristem responsible. Next, the Casparian strip is found in the epidermis of leaves, cortex of stems, or endodermis of roots or mesophyll of leaves. Casparian strip कोट देखा जाए ना endodermis of roots. Explanation: the Casparian strip is a band of suberin, a waxy substance found in the cell walls of the endodermis in roots. It acts as a barrier to the passive flow of substance into the vascular system, ensuring that all substances pass through the selective cell membrane of the endodermal cells. तो Casparian strip कोट देखा जाए ना रूट रो एंडोडर्मिस रे देखा जाए। Next, in dicot stems, the vascular bundles are scattered throughout the stem, arranged in a ring, absent or found only in roots. এটা আমি ফার্স্ট লিখেছি এক নম্বরে scattered throughout the stem monocotyledonous stem, arranged in a ring, dicotyledonous stem. So answer of option B, arranged in a ring. Explanation: in dicot stems, the vascular bundles are arranged in a ring. This arrangement allows for secondary growth of the plant, where the vascular cambium can form and add new layers of xylem and phloem. Next, which part of ground tissue is responsible for photosynthesis in leaves? Leaves से photosynthesis पे वो ground tissue वो part responsible parenchyma, parenchyma, sclerenchyma और phloem. Answer होगा parenchyma. Explanation: parenchyma cells in the mesophyll of leaves are responsible for photosynthesis. These cells contain chloroplasts and are the primary site of photosynthetic activity. Next, the protective tissue of the plant is known as xylem, phloem, epidermis, cortex. Protective tissue होता है epidermis. Explanation: the epidermis is the outermost layer of cells in the plant, serving as a protective barrier against mechanical injury, water loss and infection. Next, the specialized structure for gaseous exchange in leaves is called stomata, lenticels, roots, hairs or trichome. Specialized structure for gaseous exchange in leaves is known as stomata. Explanation: stomata are small openings on the surface of leaves that facilitate gas exchange. They allow carbon dioxide to enter for photosynthesis and oxygen and water vapor to exist. Next, the process of cell division in the cambium layer leading to secondary growth is known as differentiation, elongation, vascularization or cambial activity. Process of cell division cambium layer रे होता process of cell division secondary growth ପାଇଁ ତାକୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କହିବା ନା cambial activity. Explanation: cambial activity refers to the division of cambium cells which leads to the formation of secondary xylem wood and secondary phloem. Secondary xylem को मैं wood बोली कहूँ. This process contributes to the increase in width of the plant stems and roots. Next, in which tissue would you expect to find a high density of plasmodesmata? Bothरे plasmodesmata amount high थाए epidermal tissue और sclerenchyma और parenchyma और phloem. यार आंसर वो parenchyma. यार कौन सी explanation दरकार नहीं तो नहीं. Next, the function of the function of trichome in plants includes all of the following except reduction of water loss, protection against herbivory, facilitation of gas exchange, secretion of secondary metabolites. ये चारिटा भितर कोउटा ट्राइकोम रो फंक्शन नुहे बोली पचारछि माने बाकी तीनटा होछि ट्राइकोम रो फंक्शन. आंसर हो फैसिलिटेशन ऑफ गैस एक्सचेंज ट्राइकोम रो फंक्शन नुहो. तो कौन फंक्शन चलते एक्सप्लेनेशन में देखो. एक्सप्लेनेशन होछि trichomes are hair-like outgrowth on the epidermis of plants that help reduce water loss by limiting transpiration, protect against herbivory by being a physical barrier or by secreting deterrent substances and can secrete secondary metabolites. They do not facilitate gas exchange. This function is primarily performed by स्टोमाटा. तो गैस एक्सचेंज की करे स्टोमाटा करे. लेकिन ट्राइकोम कौन करे ना वाटर लॉस रिड्यूस करे केमिति ट्रांसपिरेशन को लिमिट करे कि फिजिकल बैरियर भली एक्ट करे एंड सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट भी सीक्रेट करे. नेक्स्ट, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू अबाउट स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए मोनोकॉट लीफ? द वास्कुलर बंडल्स आर स्कैटर्ड. এটা তো ট্রু আমি লিখেছি. द मेसोफिल is not differentiated into palisade and spongy layers. Stomata are found only on the lower surface. There is a distinct hypodermis present. Answer कौन होगा? हाँ, mesophyll cell is not differentiated into palisade and spongy layers. Explanation: in monocot leaves, the mesophyll typically consists of uniformly distributed cells and is not differentiated into palisade and spongy layers. Unlike in dicot leaves, monocots usually have Stomata on both leaf surfaces and vascular bundles arranged parallel to each other. तो एटी जो vascular bundles are scattered एटा कोठी monocotyl stem रे तो से एटा को मन रखिबो ऑप्शन ए रे जोटा अछि vascular bundles are scattered सेटा फॉर monocotyl stem monocotyl leaf पई को हबो ना ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट आंसर हबो बुझिले तो ऑप्शन बी द mesophyll is not differentiated into palisade and spongy layers differentiate हे न थाए How stomata both surface represent the vascular bundles arranged parallel to each other. Next, the root hair zone of a root is primarily involved in anchorage, absorption of water and minerals, photosynthesis, transport of sugars. The root hair zone of root is primarily involved in absorption of water and minerals. Explanation. The root hair zone or the region of the root where root hairs are present significantly increases the surface area for the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Root hairs are extensions of epidermal cells and are crucial for efficient nutrient uptake. Next. In secondary growth, the periderm replaces the cortex, epidermis, endodermis, pith. सेकेंडरी ग्रोथ रे पेरिडर्मिस कहा को रिप्लेस करे आंसर होची एपिडर्मिस को रिप्लेस करे एक्सप्लेनेशन ड्यूरिंग सेकेंडरी ग्रोथ द पेरिडर्म व्हिच इंक्लूड्स द cork cambium cork and phloderm replaces epidermis as the protective outer layer तो इधर आउ गोटे जिनस कोन ना पड़ना पेरिडर्म काहे नहीं तयारी cork cambium cork and phloderm तो आज पे एतिकी हिथिला वीडियो जदि इन्फॉर्मेटिव लागे ताहले प्लीज चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करिवे एमिति नेक्स्ट वीडियो को देखिबा पई रहली धन्यवाद।